Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Scholar with Mr. B. I'm Mr. B, and today we have this Lexus CT200h. This is a 2013 model, and we were replacing the headlight bulbs for the low beams with an LED unit that I got on Amazon. So this is a pretty straightforward job. It is a little bit difficult if you have bigger hands like I do, but it's nothing really impossible to do. So I've decided to upgrade my visibility in this vehicle. And I just did a video on replacing the fog lights for aftermarket units and went with a two-tone LED for those. And so I went ahead and just got a bright white LED for these low beam headlights. So I'm gonna go over here to the table and I'm gonna show you which ones I got, and I'm gonna show you the difference between the two in light and in the dark. Okay, these are the Oxydo lights that I got, and they were $40 for a pair of them. These are the LED lights here, and these are the regular H11 bulbs here. This is just the, I already did the passenger side because I want to get a little before and after video before I do the full-on video. And they have cooling fans in them to keep them cool right here. And they're pretty much plug and play. You just take your old bulb out here and slide this one in, plug it up, and you're good to go. Nothing else to do. So you can barely see it. This is a job you got to do kind of by feel, but that black connector right there is what you got to grab. See that round thing about center of the screen? There's a black connector there. There's a tab, and you got to press it and pull it down. And then you're going to turn the whole bulb to the left and pull out. I really hate filming stuff like this because it's just so hard to get to. And as you can see, if you've got big hands, this is from the other side, you're gonna scrape your knuckles a little bit. And so it's more of a feel thing. If you're just imagining the outside of the bulb here, you'll feel a tab. Press it in, pull out from the bottom, and then you're gonna rotate this to the left. And just kind of notice the angle that the bulb is at when you're pulling it off, and it'll come out. And this is our old bulb here. And I did shoot some video of the old bulbs I'll put up in my driveway. Compare that to the new bulb when I get home tonight. So you might bump one of these clips off, just place it back in, and we'll be set. After that, it's all over. On the other side, I was able just to fish my hand back in here and get to that bulb. So if you follow the projector beam, it's going to be about right here. And again, you just can't get a camera down in there to see it. But if you've got bigger hands than I do, you may want to move this bottle over or take this resonator out right here. And it's just a 10 millimeter here. There's a 10 millimeter underneath here that holds that in. You'll just pull this out and it'll be a lot easier to get to than otherwise. And with both of them in, definitely a difference. The older bulbs were just a tannish color, where these are bright white, and it matches the fog lights. It matches the LEDs and the daytime running lights. Just a much better look. And due to the projector beams, this shouldn't be too much of a problem with brightness against other drivers and blinding other drivers. So I think it's a good look. When I get home tonight, I'm going to record what it looks like against my fence, and we can compare that to what the stock headlights look like against my fence. So here is just a real quick before picture of the headlights. This is just the stock headlights, and I do not have my fog lights on. Okay, but this is just what you see is what you get. So here are the new lights. Much brighter. And here is the white light on top of them there from the fog lights. So pretty nice. Okay, so thanks for tuning in to Auto Scholar with Mr. B. The next project will probably be, we're going to be replacing all of the interior bulbs with LEDs on this vehicle as well. It's going to give a brighter interior feel and use less power. So you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, VK. Just look under Auto Scholar with Mr. B. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'm going to go ahead and try to post a link to the Amazon site where I got these bulbs from. I don't know about the longevity on them, but they were getting pretty good reviews, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger on those. And they were about $40. So again, if you learned anything from this video, go ahead and like the video. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more Toyota and Lexus hybrid content. I'm really amping up some of this content now, so there's going to be some new videos coming up pretty soon. The maintenance on this vehicle, and of course, hybrid theory just all in general. So we'll see you next time on Auto Scholar with Mr.